Good morning, and welcome to the Talks Coin Network.
We're diving deep into the tech world today.
There is a technology race happening right now that could reshape the global economy. And it is not just about artificial intelligence, it is also about blockchain.
So which country is actually winning? The surprising answer is, there may be no single winner.
Different countries are dominating different parts of the technology race. And when we separate artificial intelligence from blockchain, the picture becomes much clearer. In artificial intelligence, the United States remains extremely powerful. Stanford's 2026 AI Index reports that
the United States also led entrepreneurial activity, with 1,953 newly funded AI companies in 2020.
But China is far from being out of the race. China has major strengths in research, engineering, manufacturing scale.
So the AI competition is not simply America versus China. The United States has a powerful private investment and startup ecosystem.
Now comes the surprising part. Blockchain and cryptocurrency tell a completely different story.
According to Chainalysis 2025 Global Crypto Adoption Index, India ranked #1 in overall grassroots crypto adoption, followed by...
That means the countries leading everyday crypto adoption are not necessarily the same countries leading artificial intelligence investment.
The United States remains a major force in crypto with its enormous financial market, institutional capital, technology companies, and expanding digital asset infrastructure.
China is another important example. Although its policies toward cryptocurrencies are restrictive, the country continues to invest.
India's position is especially interesting because its huge technology workforce, digital payment infrastructure, and strong grassroots...
Across emerging markets, blockchain adoption is increasingly connected to payments, savings, remittances, financial access, and mobile-first digital services.
But here is where the story becomes much bigger. What happens when artificial intelligence and blockchain begin working together?
AI can analyze information, learn patterns, and automate decisions. Blockchain can provide transparent records, verification.
Together, these technologies could create new systems for finance, digital identity, supply chains, commerce, autonomous machines, and data verification.
So the real question may no longer be, which country will win? Instead, it's about who innovates fastest within this interconnected network.
The better question is, which countries can build the strongest technology ecosystems, attract the best talent, create products used by...
The winners may not be the countries with the biggest headlines. They may be the countries that successfully turn advanced technology into products people actually use.
Artificial intelligence and blockchain are no longer just technologies of the distant future. They are already becoming part of today's digital economy.
And 5 or 10 years from now, the combination of AI, blockchain, and intelligent machines could transform everyday life in ways we cannot fully predict today.
The technology race has already begun. The biggest question is not who is winning today, but who will still be leading tomorrow.
What do you think? Will the United States remain the AI leader? Can China close the gap? Could India dominate crypto adoption? Or will another country surprise the world?
Tell us your prediction in the comments and follow Talks Coin Network for more global technology and cryptocurrency stories.
Legal notice. Talks Coin Network provides cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence, and technology news for educational and entertainment purposes only.
Welcome to Crypto Insights.
Today, we're diving deep into the future of decentralized finance.
That's right, Henry. The latest blockchain advancements are set to disrupt traditional banking.